In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share and import funnels as templates. So this is particularly useful if you're a business coach, for example, and you are sharing your own funnels that you use in your business that are tried and tested, and you want to share them with your clients, and they can then import them into their system. So to do that, you're going to select the funnel that you want to share. Let's go and share my funnel. And I'm going to come here to Actions, and I'm going to click Share Funnel. I'm then going to generate a share code, and I'll be able to copy this share code and share it with my users. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that and then send it off to everyone that I want to share it with. If they then want to import this funnel, what they're going to do is come here to their funnels section and they're going to click Import Funnel. From here, we can go ahead and paste in that share code and say Find Funnel. That's then going to find and import the funnel. Now it's going to tell me that this is an invalid share code, and that's because the system I'm working in is actually an offline system. It's a demo system, so this isn't going to work. But they'd be able to paste in this funnel, it will find that funnel, and then it will import all of the elements that go along with that funnel and the funnel in its entirety. So that is how you can share your funnels as templates for other people to use.